What is FBA Amazon Product Finder? FBA Amazon Product Finder is a specialized tool that helps Amazon sellers discover profitable and in-demand products to sell through the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA program. It analyzes millions of listings, product categories, and market trends to identify items with strong sales potential, low competition, and healthy profit margins. Using an Amazon Product Finder allows sellers to base their decisions on real data rather than assumptions, which is key to long-term success in e-commerce. These tools scan multiple factors such as price history, customer ratings, and sales volume to uncover opportunities across various niches. Sellers can filter results by demand, revenue, review count, or competition level, helping them select products that fit their goals. The Product Finder also saves valuable time by automating research tasks that would otherwise take hours to complete manually. Platforms like Helium 10 are widely trusted for their powerful Product Finder features. Helium 10's black box tool gives sellers access to real-time data, allowing them to uncover hidden product opportunities with just a few clicks. Many successful Amazon entrepreneurs rely on Helium 10 to validate product ideas, track emerging trends, and ensure each listing they launch has the highest chance of success. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced product finding and research tools that help you discover winning Amazon FBA products and build a profitable business from the start.